Hey friends, in this video I'll talk about the next and the last property of the chromatic number. So we have till now seen four different properties of chromatic number, and they are: number one is the chromatic number of a null graph is 1. Second one is the chromatic number of complete graph with n vertices is n. Third one is the chromatic number of any graph is less than or equal to the number of vertices. Fourth one is the number of chromatic number of a bipartite graph is 2. And today we are going to see chromatic number of a cycle. So in a graph there can be an odd cycle or an even cycle. By odd cycle I mean that there are odd number of vertices or odd number of edges. So in the odd one, we can see in this figure, in this graph G, and let's say this is graph H. In the graph G, we can color this graph G in first, let's say the vertex 1, that is V1. Let's say this one is V1, this is V2, and this is V3. The first vertex can be colored in red. The next one can be colored in green, but not in red. क्यों नहीं red में किया जा सकता है? क्योंकि red is adjacent, that is V2 is adjacent with V1, so you cannot color V2 with red. Now V3, we have to color it with different color, let's say Y, because yellow, Y means yellow, because obviously V3 is adjacent to V1 as well as adjacent to V2, so you cannot use this red or green color. So from this graph, इस ग्राफ से पता चलता है कि chromatic number of a cycle, if the cycle is odd, is 3. Let's take another example of odd cycle. So let's say we have a graph this with a 5 number of edges or 5 number of vertices. So 5 is an odd number. So let's see the chromatic number. So let's give the first vertex. Let's say this is V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. Let's say first one is red, then again this one is green. Now V3 can be colored in red color, that is the color of V1, because obviously red is, that is V1 is not adjacent to V3, so we can use the color red in V3. Now we cannot use green because V2 is adjacent to V3, so we cannot use this color of V2. Now V4 can be colored with green because yes, V2 is not adjacent to V4, and hence we can use the color of green over there. Now going ahead with V5, V5 हम लोग कौन सा कलर देंगे? V5, in V5 we cannot use red as well as green. Why? Because V5 is adjacent with V1, which have red color, and also adjacent with V4, which has green color. So we have to give some other color, or the third color. Let's say the color is yellow, or you can take any other color, or कोई भी color ले सकते हैं, that is blue or pink, anything. So from these two example we can say that chromatic number of a cycle with let's say with odd cycle is 3. If the cycle is odd, then the chromatic number or the number of color we have to use to color odd cycle graph, a graph with odd cycle is 3. There can be any number of vertices, but the condition is that the number of vertices should be odd and there should be a cycle. Then we need only 3 colors to color that graph. Now coming to the even cycle. In even cycle, let's say we have this graph V1, V2, V3 and V4. We can, how many colors, or what is the chromatic number of this one? Let's find it out. पहले वाले vertex में, first vertex में हम लोग red देते हैं. Let's say we give red over there. Now the next V2 we have to give some other color. Let's say green, because V1 is adjacent to V2. Now for the same reason we can give red over there. In V3 we can give red because V2 is adjacent to V3. V2 is adjacent to V3 and V2 is green, so we can give red because V1 is not adjacent to V3. V1 V2 के साथ adjacent नहीं है, so red हम लोग V3 में दे सकते हैं. Similarly V4 में भी हम लोग green दे सकते हैं because V2 और V4 adjacent नहीं है और V2 में green है. So I think you are getting the point over there. Now from this graph, let's say this graph is P we have two colors. We use two colors to color this graph. So let's use this one. Let's go ahead and see the number of color used to color this graph. V2, V3, V4, V5 and V6. So here let's say V1 is colored with red, V2 with green, V3 with again with red, V4 again with green, V5 again with red, V6 again with green. So that I think from here it is completely clear about the event cycle that we require only two colors to color a graph with even cycle, and there can be any number of vertices, but the condition is obviously number one, the number of vertices should be even, and number two, there should be a cycle. So I hope यहाँ से आपको समझ में आया होगा कि chromatic number of a cycle क्या होता है. So from here we can conclude what we can conclude from here. हम यहाँ से क्या बोल सकते हैं, यहाँ से बोल सकते हैं कि chromatic number of a cycle, let's say to be more precise, odd cycle के लिए 3 होता है हमारा chromatic number, and even cycle के लिए 2 होता है हमारा chromatic number. So अगर आपको कोई डाउट है इस चीज में तो आप मेरे कमेंट में पूछिए, एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.